you know, I got there last. I was like the last to get there, or at least like one of the last people to get there.
There's a face shield on the ground.
And when I got there, I was really just confused on what the hell was going on. So of course my first instinct is to just de-escalate or try to diffuse the situation and prevent it from getting out of hand. After all, like once I got there, I just see, you know, my other friends trying to separate the two and trying to hold my friend or the victim, hold him back.
Victim?
So of course, I'm not gonna be the one to come and escalate tensions. Hey.
Oh, he's pissed. There you go.
But as my friend, you know, ranted and kept talking about what happened, I was beginning to get a clear vision.
Jersey plates.
Really occurred without, you know.
Oh, now we're blurring out the faces?
The footage. I take my friend's because I know him.
We didn't blur out that. I saw his face pretty well.
Hey, come on.
It's a lot of work to edit.
Your husband? Can you stop? Get him out of here! No, why don't you stop? You know how many people... What? You're already in the car! Go!
The two guys...
Oh, we got more. I was gonna say, you know, road rage, like I said earlier, it's an emotional regulation problem. Just pause and take a quick look. It's like, I almost got ran off the road. Okay. You're alive. You're fine. Was it scary? Yes. But let's not feed into that, oh, I'm fearful, now I'm turning it into anger, to now let's create behavioral problems and like get into physical fights and then injure, and then who knows what's going to happen. So it's like, boom, it happened. That scared me. I'm angry. I'm alive. Gratitude and appreciation for something else and for like the fact that you survived it can override that fear. It'll smash that fear away. So just really try to focus like, okay, everything's fine. I don't need to do anything stupid. I'm grateful that everything's fine. What can I learn from this situation? So let's see what the actual situation is.
In front of me go to pass the car and
double yellow.
I should have had enough time to pass.
No, you have a sharp turn.
Sped up. Comes all the way over.
It's another part of this is taking accountability for the actual situation. So he's doing an after action review of the incident, and he's doing a voiceover. So he's not talking while it's going.
Go to pass the car.
So we're passing on a double yellow. You know, I've done it before, especially when cars will let me because they know it's like, hey, there's motorcyclists. Let's go. The car would usually slow down. I'll do that for some motorcyclists too. They'll slow down a little bit, kind of move over so that people can, you know, pass me because I get it. You go have fun. You're going to be ahead of me. If you crash, I'll come up on you and I'll help out if you crash. Not a big deal. I'm a rider. You're a rider. Have fun. I'll even give them a thumbs up. I'll wave them off. Because usually you get a cool thumbs up back from the motorcycle riders, and that's always fun. So yeah, he's passing.
I should have had enough time to pass.
So we have a sharp turn. You see that sign right there? It's a sharp turn ahead. So this is one of the dangers when it comes to passing on a corner is that you accelerate into the corner harder than you normally would to pass. And you're even further to the left. You're not in your lane. It's a blind corner because of a car could be coming around. You don't know that. And you have to gun it. So you're setting yourself terribly. So I really like the fact that this person decided to move back in their lane, but this person blamed the car driver for slowing down on him. Just take a look at this photo. Take a look at the photo. Who's slowing down first? The motorcycle rider. You see brake lights. The motorcycle rider in front of us, the camera point of view, accelerated into the corner. Oh crap, I need to slow down to make this corner. So they slowed down. The car driver doesn't want to hit the motorcyclist that just passed him in being reckless in the middle of a corner. And so they slow down. But this guy is blaming him for slowing down and messing him up. What the?
him as well, but he sped up. Comes all the way over.
He didn't speed up.
And then he brake checks too. When I
So now this, I'll give him this. This is stupid.
sure in bump.
Okay. This is why you don't create the situation in the first place. This is why if the situation starts happening, you back off. And if you're now concerned that you have to back off because this guy's being an idiot, this is where, like I said earlier, talk to your buddies on your Cardo Pack Talk because it will reach around these corners if you guys aren't like miles away. But you can tell them, hey, I'm being blocked by this car driver. I can't get to you guys. So I'll meet you. Not like, hey, come back and let's beat this guy up. No, don't communicate that. Be like, hey, I can't keep up with you guys. I'm stuck. I'll meet you where we're supposed to go. Or pull off and I'll see you and just communicate with each other, just communicate. But that's why I like these the edges are really good. I mean, the Pack Talk Pro is a little bit better. This one usually doesn't give a discount. I can give a discount for this one. The Spirits are good too, but they don't have a massive range. And these are dynamic mesh. So even if you go out of range and you get closer again, it'll reconnect. So that's what I really like about the edges. They're really cool. I got one right here. But that's another tool that you can have.
Them a little bit. So at this point,
this right here,
that's right. I fucking go by
dangerous.
and
smack the mirror. Yeah, what do you think?
Sure enough, he pulls up and super aggressive. Looks like he wants some. So I give it to him.
Come on, dog. What's up? What's up, dog? Why you trying to kill me?
Now, in this situation right here, where you tell your buddies, hey, I can't keep up. So everyone pulls off, right? So we pull off. Shouldn't have smacked the mirror earlier. Let's say we never smack the mirror, we pull up, right? We pull up here.
If he pulls up.
Now, when he does this, like if he didn't do anything and he does this, I get it. You got to defend yourself. You got to defend yourself a little bit. Violence, speed of action, all that stuff. Do whatever you need to do. But we damaged his vehicle. Like we smashed his mirror. You see how all of this just comes from a point of view of don't ride like an idiot. Don't ride like an idiot. Regulate your emotions. Talk to and communicate with your friends. Try to find the higher road. And then if you did all of that and the guy is still an idiot and he does this stuff, then sure. I'm not saying, be a wuss. I'm saying don't create the situation that now you have to fight your way out of. Just do the best you possibly can and don't escalate through anger. And if something like this comes up, then yeah, go ahead and fight your way out of it.
And super aggressive, looks like he wants some.
Yeah, both parties are being boobies. Bunch of boobs.
Come on, dog. What's up? What's up, dog? Why you trying to kill me?
Big dudes like that, real quick before we jump into that one. Big dudes like this.
Right now.
So give it to him.
Honestly, anybody. Just get prepped. Everyone wants to hit in the face. Everybody wants to punch in the face because they think, oh, I get a knockout, they're done, right? As a short guy with longer legs, I got a 30-inch inseam and I'm only 5'5.5", right? Right, Miyamoto, you got it. Just get ready. Get a nice little round kick, a little side, boom, right there, or a little bit higher. Just go whapa. So right on the knee or right above the knee. You either take out a knee like an LCL, ACL, or whatever. They can't fight at that point. They can't stand on that leg. They have instability, right? And it's self-defense. You do what you got to do. You stop the threat. Do that, or you give them a really bad dead leg. Okay, if they have a really bad dead leg, they're not going to be able to get that hip. They won't be able to get that hip rotation for that punch when they come at you, right? So if they don't have any leg power, they're going to be weak. I'm just saying this as a short guy that is always worried about getting attacked by a bear. That's what I would do. Okay?
Come on, dog. What's up?